Welcome to a fantastic opportunity for resort-style living in Vancouver. This single-level condo overlooks a pool, clubhouse, and is close to waterfront trails. You'll find an inviting, open lobby in this secure building with an elevator. Enjoy the light and bright interior with a large living room, gas fireplace, and peaceful views. It opens to the large terrace with the views of the private pool. The updated kitchen features tile floors, granite counters, an eating bar, and stainless appliances. Relax and unwind in your large master suite. It also has direct access to the balcony. You'll find a full master bath with a dual sink vanity and a large shower. The walk-in closet includes built-in storage. A washer and dryer set is also included. The second bedroom has views of the pool. And you'll find another full bath. Living here, you'll enjoy a beautifully landscaped setting, and it includes an underground parking space and storage unit. The large pool has plenty of space for lounging and relaxing. You can also enjoy the conveniently located clubhouse. The waterfront path is perfect for biking or walking to downtown Vancouver, restaurants, and the new waterfront development. You're also close to local amenities, including cafes, shopping, and dining. Plus, you have easy access to the freeway. A fabulous value for the location and amenities. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.